Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today we shall be talking about make or do grammar lesson. Let's dive in. Make or do in English? Do in English. Do can be either a main verb or an auxiliary verb to indicate the tense or appearance of another verb. Do can be either a main verb or an auxiliary verb to indicate the tense or appearance of another verb. The verb do. We use do to talk about work, tasks, professions. We use do to talk about work, tasks, professions. Examples: what are you doing? What are you doing? I always do the gardening. I always do the gardening. Have you done your homework? Have you done your homework? I'm doing the housework now. I'm doing the housework now. He did a good job. He did a good job. Do is used to talk about non-specific activities with words like thing, something, nothing, anything, everything, etc. Do is used to talk about non-specific activities with words like thing, something, nothing, anything, everything, etc. Examples: I've got a lot of things to do. I've got a lot of things to do. Do something. Do something. Is there anything I can do to help you? Is there anything I can do to help you? I did nothing. I did nothing. Do is sometimes used to replace a verb when the meaning is obvious, more often orally. Do is sometimes used to replace a verb when the meaning is obvious, more often orally. Examples: I need to do my hair. I need to do my hair. I'll do the dishes. I'll do the dishes. Do is sometimes used as the verb to go. Do is sometimes used as the verb to go. How are you doing? How are you doing? I'm doing well, thank you. I'm doing well, thank you. That will do. That will do. Do plus without means to manage without having something. Do plus without means to manage without having something. Example: I can't do without my phone. I can't do without my phone. Do as an auxiliary verb. Do as an auxiliary verb. Do can also be an auxiliary verb for making negative questions or sentences in the present tense with do or does, or in the preterite with did. Do as an auxiliary verb. Do can also be an auxiliary verb for making negative questions or sentences in the present tense with do or does, or in the preterite with did. What time does the train leave? What time does the train leave? He doesn't like soccer. He doesn't like soccer. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? I don't know. I don't know. What did she do? What did she do? She didn't like the movie. She didn't like the movie. Do helps to reinforce an affirmation. Do helps to reinforce an affirmation. I do know her. I do know her. Do allows you to make a short answer with yes or no. Do allows you to make a short answer with yes or no. Less direct than if you only put yes or no. Do you like soccer? If you like, you will say, yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like tennis? Do you like tennis? No, I don't. No, I don't. At the end of the sentence, so as not to repeat the verb that has just been used. At the end of the sentence, so as not to repeat the verb that has been used. I love cooking. I love cooking. So do I. So do I. Make in English. Make in English. The verb make also means to do, more in the same of to manufacture. It is mainly used for the creation, construction, manufacture, or production of something new. The verb make also means to do, more in the sense of to manufacture. It is mainly used for the creation, construction, manufacture, or production of something new. Make a fire. Make a fire. Make a mistake. Make a mistake. Make money. Make money. Make a phone call. Make a phone call. Make is used to indicate the origin of a product or the material that is used to make something. Make is used to indicate the origin of a product or the material that is used to make something. Example, this wall is made of concrete. This wall is made of concrete. This watch is made in China. This watch is made in China. Wine is made from grapes. Wine is made from grapes. We also use make to talk about a reaction. We also use make to talk about a reaction. You make me happy. You make me happy. This music makes me sleepy. This music makes me sleepy. She made me do it. She made me do it. It makes me smile. It makes me smile. We use make to talk about preparations and decisions. We use make to talk about preparations and decisions. He made the arrangements. He made the arrangements. I have to make a decision. I have to make a decision. Blue or red? Blue or red? You must make a choice. You must make a choice. We are making a plan for the holidays. We are making a plan for the holidays. Make is used with sound or sound names. Make is used with sound or sound names. Make a comment. Make a comment. Make a noise. Make a noise. Make a suggestion. Make a suggestion. Make a speech. Make a speech. We use make to talk about cooking and eating. We use make to talk about cooking and eating. Make a cake. Make a cake. Make breakfast / make lunch. Make breakfast / make lunch. Make some coffee. Make some coffee. Tom makes his own bread. Tom makes his own bread. So, there you go guys. This is the end of this video about make or do grammar lesson. Thanks for watching.